OnePlus 9 are coming to China on April 15th. The OnePlus 9R is this year's affordable entry in the OnePlus family. The yet to go on open sale device was expected to remain exclusive to India, but now OnePlus has confirmed it will also launch in China next Thursday, April 15th. The launch event will start at 2 p.m. local time. While it sports a fresh coat of paint, the 9R is basically last year's OnePlus 8T with a boosted chipset. The phone still sports a 120Hz display, the same quad-camera setup, with a 48-megapixel main snapper, and a 4500 mAh battery with 65 watts volt charge. The Snapdragon 870 is a slightly overclocked version of last year's Snapdragon 865. The one expected difference for the Chinese version of the OnePlus 9R is the switch to ColorOS 11. OnePlus recently announced it will switch from Hydrogen OS to Oppo's ColorOS in China starting with the OP9 series phones. Pricing for the OnePlus 9R in China is expected to start at CNY $3,457, which is substantially less than the base ₹39,999 $535 price in India. Our own OnePlus 9R hands-on review came out yesterday, so if you haven't checked it out yet, feel free to do so.